Pass you the one you sabi, make you do the not they cook soup for son. If God say hi, make you run. What do you not know? Pass what do you not know? Pass you.
You cannot talk again. You won't talk again. The gods have finally sealed your stupid mouth. Look at them.
Aboma. Forget these little rascals. Let's go. Don't waste your time with this.
Okay.
Are you sure we are on a smooth journey? Well, yeah, there's nothing to doubt. Because the people we are seeing on the roads, enemies, not friends. But there's no serious problem. Because they say a bad dream can turn out to be sometimes a good omen. So, but this one. I hope you're right, my mind. Go to the last one. That's my mind scared.
Find them in the rooms. Papa, we have gone to make money in any possible way. We will return with a big bang. Goodbye. Sign. Okute your son. I said it. No wonder I didn't find any of them in the rooms. Money. They've gone to the city to make more money. And they said, they are returning with a big bang. Oh, may the good Lord be with them. Yes! My sons are now wiser. Yes? I said it. They need more money than I do. All things are working out for good. Praise God. I like this. Amadi, you are born to be a rich chief. Not a pauper. Not a poor catechist or konoka. Mbano. Oh yes, they've gone to make money. I need money. Sons, go and make it big and return with good money. I love this. Even Jesus Christ, our Lord, was not poor when he lived here on earth. Yes, I am following the doctrine. Yes, Christ Jesus has everything. He has money. He's rich. Amadi, you are born to be rich. This is good. Even if it will cost the head of a white man, kill him and return with money. Support you, boys. My wife, here you go, money. Go and return with money. Your father, Amadi, needs money. What do you do? Let me get my call.
Money, money. It is sweet, it is lovely. Money, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful. Money, money. I on the flows, I on the
will kill us. I saw 3 youths armed with cutlass and spears. They are there waiting. Let us come. What are you trying to do? Yes. I hope you are with the 2 cups I gave you. Yes, then the bag. So, carry your bag. Talk to me before you kill me, please. I hope you are not trying to poison all those guys. Look, this is murder. In fact, count me out of this. I'm not part of it. Carry your bag, let's go. Go, Brelana Babu. See, let's go. Put up a smile. Even though hundreds of the are biting your scrotal sack, just put up a smile, let's go. Let's go.
Our guy, only someone.
Yes. How are you doing?
We are fine.
I hope you're taking the Igwe's instruction very serious.
Bam.
Why not?
See, listen. As long as I stand on this boundary, no one can have their teeth. We pass here. Oh,
that's good.
It looks like you two are traveling.
Yes, so you see, me and my cousin Kaki. My cousin Kaki is taking me to the city, for greener pastures. Yes, you see, I want you people to be serious with this job.
Yes.
Make sure you search everybody passing this boundary.
Yeah.
Wakabia must be found. As for me, greener pasture or no greener pasture, Utubarigo must always come. Wakabia. I hope you're searching everybody crossing here.
Nobody is accepted. Not even our own parents.
Thank you. So, me and my cousin will be leaving now. Please.
Okay. This pan wine goes sweet too. Make you cut small for us now. At least we try. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Kaki, you see, I will buy another one at a full clip. Okay. You see, let me use this one and celebrate with my friends. You know, they are doing a very nice work. Yes, so what kind must be found?
Okay.
So no problem.
Okay.
But sorry, I suggest you people, you know, if you're drinking along this road now, if anybody sees you, it will look as if you don't know your job. And the Igbo must assure you.
It's true.
So I suggest you enter inside the bush and enjoy the drink. You know?
Yeah, it's a good idea.
It is sweet. it is lovely. Money, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful. Money, money. I on the float, I on the fly. Money, money.
Okute, why can't you have got small for your cousin?
Ah, no.
Got small.
If you give him now, you have to hire a wheelbarrow to take him home.
No serious matter, little story.
Yeah,
Something.
that's Okute, I will never forget you. Yeah?
Anytime, anything. Enjoy. That was why I said you can't drink on the road.
I see. Let me find this one wine because they know. Very nice. Do give me, let me drink.
Mom. Okute.
My people. My people.
Very nice. But let me sit because I need to enjoy this wine.
You need to relax. Let me help you.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me
It's okay. Let me help you. Yes.
Maya na abananya.
You can drink from
Maya na abananya. Maya na abananya. Oh boy. Maya na abananya.
Permanently. Are you sure he's going to drop the money? It is still unbelievable. 20 million naira. We have to apply some security measure. Okay, relax. Look, I'm not afraid of that one. I know we'll get that money. Me, I'm even thinking of something. I will tell you later when I'm relaxed. Maybe when I finish bathing. That one is not even my worry at all. That one. We must get it, don't worry. But for now, but that money, we'll get it. To go bath now, then relax. We'll not be that one anymore at all. I said, the way those guys went to sleep. There's no problem now. Yes, with this sacrifice now, Wakabe will take a long deep sleep. So, it's okay.
Forgive us before we die, I beg. I beg now. I beg. I know say I be idiot, but I still be human beings. I beg. Take God to forgive me, I beg. Madam, I beg to make you help me beg. I beg. Yeah? Okay? I take God to beg you.
What is this man doing here now? What is he doing? Huh? Tell me, what is so difficult in finding and formation of some old shrines packed with useless wooden cowards? Huh? Nobody's so hard in that. Tell me.
Nothing hard in our stupidity, cousin. With this say for a strike, you will just change mind small. But unfortunate, you not change mind. Okay, see my friend, Adam. Yeah. If you see that guy now, you're not going to remember saying now, hunger don't carry out. Finish up. You know, you don't get strength to come, follow me, come back. If you see him belly now, lie, this just go inside. I beg, sorry for that. Before he die, people will say that me come carry out from village, bring him back for this place. He can't die, they put up on my head. I beg God, beg you, forgive me, I beg.
Look at this pig. Look at this pig.
Thank you.
That I wanted to help. I can really give them some real cool dollars, but no.
Are you serious?
Do you know what they say? They say, if I didn't up their pay, they are not going to render their services to me.
What's wrong with you people?
Bloody ordinary agents. That's what they are. That's what they are.
Grateful fools, you know.
No mistake, now drink, now cousin. That day, me and Apple will drink. Even that time we will come here, we don't know what to do. I beg, forgive us. Huh?
No, so you were telling me something about, I was telling you about the drink, yes.
What's Davis? What's wrong with these people? You know they're ungrateful fools.
Thank you. Anything where you like, call us. I be fool. I be idiot.
Yeah, you are.
Even that my brother self will be combined fools. All of us, I beg, they go. Before person die for your head, I beg.
Get the hell out of here, man.
I'm going to the heaven even, I beg. Help us now, I beg.
Just get out of here.
Hey.
You're just spoiling my mood. I don't like it.
Sorry, Oga.
Now who be that now?
What's wrong with him? What does he think? That we're human beings or ghost or... What's your problem? You really look like ghost.
Hey!
Huh?
See, if to say I know hear on a voice, I swear to God I for not open this gate.
Shut up! Look at this illiterate.
Me illiterate, Oga?
He can't even speak simple English.
Me?
My friend, take this to tell your God that we're looking. Yes, tell him that Kake and the Okuda are here to see him.
Okute, Kake. Which one be Okute? Which one be Kake?
Hey, stop talking rubbish. I'll tell your God to sack you now.
Hello?
This guy is half in base.
Oga Dave. There are two men that are at the gate. Oh. They said they are Okute and Kake, and they want to see you. Alright. You should let them in. Okay, sir. tell me, so Dave, no, Nana. You say, me could they come in? Hey! See this boy, yo!
Use your church mind, forgive me and my friend. Yeah? If the son of God by now, for them to do thanksgivings. Yeah?
You better go meet God in his house. Because I'm sure his forgiveness is better than David's own, you know?
If you go lead me, go there. I don't know the place.
Tell me something. You have been with me like 2 years now.
Thank you.
And the best thing you could ever come with is a 100-year-old artifact. That is antiquity. Now, that is bad for business.
Yeah, I know.
Okay? It's very bad.
Okay? If you say for 2 years what we did with you, we never bring antiquity way be 100 years. That one not true. But the time when the dog say our African shrine no get power, that one not serious lie.
Shut up! What is wrong with this? What is he saying? Yeah?
See you there.
Yeah, the ego has landed.
Okay. Wow. You are welcome. You are welcome. Please be seated. Be comfortable.
So, well, the boys, they look intelligent and smart, you know.
They are.
Excuse me. Look, if you were born of the same parents with us, you should be serving us drink and food with both hands and at the same time kneeling down.
Excuse me?
Excuse what? I said the go.
Please, Madam, introduce us to her to avoid this embarrassment.
Sorry. Jackie.
Yes.
FYI, they are my new suppliers.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Excuse me?
And they are graduates as well.
You don't mean that?
Yes.
Davis, you have to tell her our names to emphasize on how dangerous we can be, you know?
Okay. Jackie, their names. This one is Khaki no be leather.
Khaki no be leather. Khaki no be leather.
What does that mean?
It's like khaki and leather wrapped in together somewhat, you know. And the other one is
My name is Okute Utubani Gowan, the dangerous termites that buy steel and iron. Does that sound serious to you?
Yeah, that
Sure does. Sure does.
Okay.
Yeah, please. She's my junior partner.
Okay.
Her name is Jackie.
Don't you have cola? You know where I come from. Cola is very essential.
So, what should I offer you guys? Jackie.
Yeah, let me get glasses for them. I'm sorry. My mistake.
Yes. So, you were telling me something like the eagle has landed.
Of course.
Yeah.
So, can I see it?
No, you see, we look like fools coming here without trailer load of security because we are talking of 20 million naira business.
No.
24 million.
No. You know, I'm a straightforward business.
Don't just go there. If you're straightforward businessman, what are you doing with the stolen property?
I mean, that's part of business, you know. So, okay. So, how are you going to deliver me the goods?
No, I'm going to give you a number that you call.
Okay.
Just get your phone. Get your phone ready. Just 080.
Okay, Jackie, please.
419.
Get me,
Yeah, 999. Yes, who's there?
What's that for?
That's to know if you have anything dangerous in you.
Like what?
You can never tell. If you have anything bad in your mind, in fact, it will destroy or kill you within 12 hours.
Yeah, it's okay.
Money. So, where is the stuff? Where is it?
That's it.
This is the stuff. Okay.
Doctor, now what's the problem? Any problem?
Wow.
What is wow? You're raising my blood pressure.
I'm mean, this is good. This is the original relic. It's about 2,000 years old. I mean, this product is good. Wow, I mean, just check out the markings. All these markings dates back 2,000 plus. Not even 2,000.
Yeah, I mean, we've got everything.
Yes. Please, can I visit them all?
Airport. If you need this thing, I will give you a number that you can call us on. Where's your phone? Where's the money?
Okay. Where do you want me to deliver the money?
No. We'll give you our number. So that anytime you're ready to pay, you call us.
Yes, I'll give you the money. Just bring your phone. Right. That's not that.
Where's his phone?
080. Okay. 419. 666.
666.
And 911. That's 911.
Okay. Just expect my call and please don't show this to anybody. I'll just expect my call. I'll be there.
What no?
Yeah. Please don't show it to anybody, okay? Thank you.
Alright.
And this is good.
Everybody see how you pay that man on. We have to leave that immediately. I thought as much.
It is sweet, it is lovely, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful, money. I on the float, I on the fly, money. Money. It is sweet, it is lovely, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful, money. I on the float, I on the fly, money. Serious matter.
Yeah, it's complete.
Little story, plenty something. Money.
You know, we never met. We never had any business.
Briefcase movement. Money. Jog with the flow. Get non-stop. We they carry the go. We day on top. One rock finish. Bring it more. Bring it more. Spend it. Yes, now the Lord. It is sweet, it is lovely, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful, money. I on the float, I on the fly, money.
That's the money. This is cash. Make sure that everybody here today enjoy themselves. Reach at your pot. Give them whatever they want. Enjoy. Alright.
Now you enter first, even when you enter. It is sweet, it is lovely, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful, money. I on the float, I on the fly, money. It is sweet, it is lovely, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful, money. I on the float, I on the fly, money. It is sweet, it is lovely, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful, money. I on the float, I on the fly, money. Money. It is sweet, it is lovely.
You boys have arrived.
Yes, Papa.
Huh? You came with all these?
Yes, Papa.
This is good.
Yes, yes.
This is real good.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Yes,
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please come. Come inside. Come inside and sit down.
Yes.
Hey!
What do you guys see?
Oh, who are those guys?
What do you guys see?
Bodyguards, you're welcome.
Yeah,
Sit down.
Papa.
Sit down.
This is
Sit
it.
down. Huh?
We've made it.
I can see.
This is what you packaged with your mouth. You gave us the challenge and we took up the challenge.
So this my mouth now has a price.
Honestly, Uncle, your mouth really pushed us to the limit.
Yes.
I decided to take the risk.
Yes,
I mean, today we've medited.
I like that. Can you see how good it is to have some challenges?
Papa.
Yes.
I don't know. When we are through, I'd like us to, visit the Igwe.
Why not? When after all, I am not doing anything today. We will go. In fact, so that you can even offer me a ride. I won't go with my own.
It's okay.
Until you have water.
It's okay. Jimmy, please call the guests to come and greet my friends.
Yes, so Mr. Bells from Puerto Rico.
Puerto where?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Girls from Puerto Rico. Hey! Now really Puerto Rico.
Papa, it's
You're
okay.
welcome.
You can sit down. Papa, one more thing.
What's that?
One more surprise.
What's that?
That car parked outside there. The other one. It's yours. Take it.
Don't be serious for once.
Yes.
Which of them?
The smaller one.
You must show me. Look, none of them is small. You see this guy? None is small. Come and show me the one that is my own. Huh? Hey! Amadi, you have arrived. Oh, this is good. Okay, this is good now. This is bigger than what I have. Hey! This also, thank you, Helmet, thank you. Amadi, you have arrived. Amadi, you've arrived with my boys. Okay,
Papa, another surprise for you.
What's that?
I'm going to put down this house and build another one for you.
Yes.
Don't pull down this out here too, because if you pull it down now, where will I be? Will I be sleeping inside the car?
Keep in the hotel.
Yeah, check in a 5-star hotel.
5-star hotel.
Yes.
Hotel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
5-star hotel, here I go. In fact, will you be at that Puerto Rico? This one's good. Come in. So, I know they don't understand our language. How do I greet them?
I just told them, qu'est-ce qu'amour?
Qu'est-ce qu'amour? They don't reply. Qu'est-ce qu'amour? Brother, qu'est-ce qu'amour? Water. You drink water. How do you say water?
It's okay.
Let me get them at least water to chill out.
No problem. Papa, it's okay.
Puerto Rico.
It's okay.
Where we go, Puerto Rico, Nowhere. Hey, today is a great day.
Bros.
Hey, Ato, as we did so, if person look us finish, call us vagabond. What do you go do?
Hey, person look me, Ato. Call me vagabond. I swear to God, I go show the person pepper. Anyway, nobody will try him. Nobody.
If the person can't add waka about, Rolling Stone.
Hey!
Put them. What do you go?
Hey! Me, Ato. If I no redesign the person face with my blow, I swear to God my name no be Ato. Me, person where they born. Open.
Thank you. I like I see your
Hey!
boy.
Oh.
I like him. He showed me one thing. If that person can't add scarecrow, scalewa, vagabonds, put them. You go see beat them.
That one I die. I swear to God. Now one way traffic to the person grief. Me Ato. If I no begin.
No let this touch me.
Let the person try him.
Okay.
Oh, forget.
Ato.
I better forget.
Okay. That person when I dey talk. Na me.
You say?
I said na me. Wait, he never reach. He never reach. Look, I tell you, Ato, we be fools. We be idiot. We be vagabond. We be scallywag. We be rolling stone. We be non-entity. Complete non-entity. Now we did so.
Why?
Make you knock your blow.
Why you attempt
I never talk finish. Wait, make I talk finish. If we no be fools like this, what we did? How small boy will be white man go live in country, work and fly for up, come land for this place. They do the job. They insult anybody when you see. We will carry our God, carry him. They sell for him. You go they carry, they come out to go their country. Supposing we sell our God finish to him.
Go on, why you dey tempt me? Why you?
I never finish. Wait. If we don't be fool, Ato, who go protect us? Who go save us? Now, Ato, I dey wait for that your blow.
Make I dey think am.
Ato, look our face as a wowo. This guy no fear. He dey insult us. Big man like us who go lie for ground like lizard, we believe the thing. They beg this man make he give us some money, make we take chop. For where? Hunger, starvation go carry us and make the order of the day. Now, Ato, me and the thinker say that our God, now they punish us like this. I don't beg God personally, as the lost son of the tribe of Israel, beg him, say, God forgive me. Give me peace of mind, make her the rest. Give me money, make her the chop, they get peace of mind for my house. Carry breakthrough, knock me for face. After as I do so, nothing go make me for this life put hand for this type of a job again. I swear to God in heaven who makes me. Now, as I don't talk this thing finish, your blood already now.
Kevin, which power I get to drop any blow now?
Thank you.
I no get power at all. Person never dropped since yesterday. And on top of that, all this talk where you talk now don't reach me well. Kevin, is that correct? You get any other bad name when you join from the bad name when you call us before?
I no get. If you get, make you drop am.
That time we dey call us bad name, you ask this other name, this name where...
There's something seriously bothering me. You see, we've not rested since we made this morning. And the way things are going, if we don't take time, this thing may kill us this morning. And then people will now begin to believe longer than the gods. Every day is either we are eating money, buying drinks, eating food, buying cars, throwing money for people, inviting friends, girls, everything. Just be lavishing the money anyhow, without any single investment, no project, nothing to just nothing to think about, nothing to follow. It's very bad. Imagine. Okay, you, at least your father has a car to boast of. But I'm still wallowing in an abject poverty, and he's still in that house. Eh? So that's I begin to think, is this kake? I begin to think that if I'm becoming senseless, don't you think we're under a spell? Or that we need a spiritualist to pray for us? I think we even made a mistake. If spiritualists would have prayed for us before we started using this money.
Kake, why are you afraid, Kake? Let's chop money. Enjoy your money. Keep and scatter money. There are so many villages where we can go and steal or buy their masquerade, you know, and supply to McDavis. This is Oshimirata business. You know, this business is everlasting. So why are you bothering us? Just calm down and enjoy your money. Huh?
Do you see there are so many villages?
Of course now. Go to other villages, see whether you steal their masquerade. You can even start with your village. You understand? Ha! You don't know?
Do you know, I never thought of that. Honestly, that never occurred in my mind.
There are so many villages where you can still do this in that. See, if I become the Igwe of my village, is it a taboo?
What do we think? Me, I'll become the JP. That's the justice of peace of our community.
So enjoy your money, eh? Enjoy yourself.
But honestly, I never thought of that.
Enjoy yourself.
Because I was annoyed now. Look at every day we're chopping money. Look at, and we don't have even nothing, we have nothing to boast of. Well, no shaking, since you have given me a beautiful idea.
Ages. They sold me their gods for 4 million naira. Whereas its price in the US is $24 million. That is 156 million naira. Where's my passport? Yes. Masquerade is not possible. What is wrong with you? Now, listen up. 2 of us are traveling.
The bastards must have gone. Shit. Let me go. Check. Yes. Where's the phone?
Who be this nonsense person now? What did they stop persons?
Hi. Waiting. Why you on the with the hunger with the bite me? Waiting be this.
Ross, see the person where they call us. See.
Pick up now, pick up.
Oh. Hello?
Hello. Yeah, Jackie, it's me. Please, I need you to come over here right now. Yes, come right here.
Okay. You don't sack us now. What do you they call us for again?
No, you know the kind of business I run over here, huh? You I can call, I can't involve police in it. Huh?
You said?
Yes, I need you here. Please come here, come here. Yes. Yes, come quickly.
Wait. Say wait.
He said make we come a house. Say it's important. Say it go pay us good money.
Lie.
I swear.
You mean it? What do we call the wait for? He said look at the corner now. Look at the corner. Look. Even though say na small bread the money we see for this our condition. We can go. Come. This one no be waka waka. Make we take run.
It's your fault, Davis. You never believed those boys when they told you their gods and shrines are violent. You went in search of it yourself. Let's see where you've landed yourself. You've lost 24 million bucks, and this might not be the end of your spending just to save your head. Come in!
You just see what that is? So now bring us here, make una come kill us. Bros, you see them here? Yeah, don't walk out.
Kill me, please. Please, wait and hear me out. Please. This is the latest product that was supplied to me by those two men. And I paid 24 million naira for it. Here is 2,000 years old, and it has refused to let me out of the compound.
Kevin, you hear that? He said the thing don't capture him inside this house, so you know he can come out again. You should see the thing will allow us to come out.
You the crazy? What do you concern vulture with Baba? Now we steal him? On your channel, you steal him? Now you steal him? When we won't come out here, we will come out, nothing will happen.
What did he say if you won't come out? So you never give them time to go. They take one come out. You see, and they go. Not me, you work out with him.
Please help me find solution. I'm in trouble here.
And culture. Not the one. Now you take us again. You walk up from your village, you come here. Buy our gods, the seller. The seller. Now you won't make to beg our God to make it help you. I swear to God who makes me. You go open this your mouth to confess to our God. Say our God is strong.
Yeah.
Say no be tomato. Say you get power.
Potato.
Say you get power. Say it's strong. You go confess, then everything will leave you waka.
Look, Kel. I don't need to confess it. Okay? I have seen it with my 2 eyes.
Say you get power.
Please. Is there any juju man that can calm that thing down? You know, so that my partner could be free.
Look, I tell you, if the person who would they call come in here now, here say you call her juju. I swear, you could just walk out.
I think
the name na juju man.
Whatever.
Okay, no problem. Make I answer the question.
Thank you.
So that's a fine question. we come from beautiful person like you. Now, to answer the question, Oibo, he get one powerful native doctor, powerful juju man, we been there work for us before you can sack us.
Thank you.
If you bring and come for you.
The other country.
But the man not to collect anything less than 2 million.
2 million?
Yes, because they do strong work. Powerful work. Because this masquerade we go carry now the grandpapa to many villages. And their gods don't they vex. Many vexes, so plenty and many vexes. So if they no use to do sacrifice to their gods, where you go, this thing no go rest.
But can this juju man, can he destroy it?
Hi! See, you don't know what you talk. If this man who will talk, waka come here now, this thing where you see here, this masquerade, go apologize to you. You go kneel down, beg him. I swear.
Right. Not only that, you go even fit carry and put on for Ghana must go. Okay, no be Ghana. Ghana put on for Oyibo must go back. Ghana go your country. You fit even reach the seller. Recover your money, you go make gain, you go make profit, you go make interest.
Oh
no. Please, Jackie, get me my checkbook. Yes.
Okay.
Please, Gil, I will be forever grateful if this thing works out.
Hey, you go work. Why not work? You go work. As far as say the check, and 2 million is right.
You go right and well. Even if you carry bad mind, right and the juju man will want to go sabi. No be one. True. Since when we say you talk, say you go pay any amount, you feel just add something.
Please, Kelvin, if this thing works out, I'll be forever grateful.
Why don't you go work out? You completed it.
Yes,
2 million. Don't add anything.
Yes.
Look at the outside.
But he just saw if I add something. But if you come out, you die. No fear. When you come, the juju man will rise you up.
Nothing more you do. You have to play with the masquerades with the cup. You play with them. You don't see a break. Hey!
See money.
Hey!
Bros, see as we pay for our poor house with the 2 million naira.
You see? This one, na the break.
Bros, what you go do? You know say as me and you dey here now, we know say we know sabi babalawo wey come be the same man wey we come do this thing.
We go organize one. Tell am wetin dey, Kevin. I tell you, I get to one where they live near Riverside. Aye, the man sabi. Riverside, the man sabi.
You know, you can tell you.
Yeah.
Since when me as sabi you, this one is the first time when they use your brain.
Get out. Hey, bro. Oh, but I said the man from Riverside. When we
like so. No, now.
How you want to pack the money?
You know, get sense.
See,
we leave this money here. I won't carry and go put on my account. Then after, when the time reach, I bring them out, we share them.
You don't tap out your drive. See, now poverty and hunger make me be like say I don't get sense. But now when I don't become millionaire, it's a different thing. You understand? See, we go share the money here. Then we go come out small for our work. Me, go collect my own, go put that from my own account. I don't trust anybody. Even mama will bomb me. Mama will bomb me. I don't trust her. Talk less of you.
I mean, say you don't get sense.
Get out! Don't we share the money? No, wait. Put this one here. Wait. No.
Not the only go share.
This one here. They put another one there. This one here.
It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. I am the first.
Sorry.
sorry.
I underrated these African gods.
Yeah, I know.
I should have listened to Kelvin.
Where is the masquerade? I have come to strip you of all your powers, and I know you will not challenge me. So you are stubborn. Atuna. Oh no. Nkata, you want to talk of it? Jabra will put him. Oh no. Atuna. So you people brought me here to kill me. It will not work for you people.
The man just ran out.
No problem. It's...
So, what do we do now?
Oga, as it is so, you yourself don't take your eyes, you say, water don't pass guy. But waiting at the think, or we the think, we say, it be like saying only that your own juju, now you feel challenger.
No. Me and the thing say it go good make we call spiritualist. You see this white garment church people, the prophet, very powerful.
Powerful. But another thing better than we see, we need a small money.
Yeah, basic.
For
mobilization.
You mobilize us like that with small money like that, we will take and start. I will look like, say, maybe forgive us like 500,000 naira only.
You go do?
No, for
okay, make we take start from Senate. Begin Waka go president.
Yeah. That is it.
Make we do.
I have exhausted all my money. The only money I have, it's my traveler's check. But I don't mind to change it to local currency and pay you off. Jackie, please go inside and get the money and change it to local currency. Please pay them. Please.
Do quick.
This time
Dude, we go still need more money. You know, say this one now, the beginning.
That kind of mobilization. Find the start bag. We'll go
follow and go change it.
No waste time. Just they come. You go sorry, yeah.
No worry. You go
if this one continue, you know what? I promise you, get another place. We go carry you go.
Before we try 4 or 5 places, or even 6, pata 7.
You know, we reach like 2 million. This one maybe pata 2 million. Then that one no work again.
It is lovely, money. It is beautiful. It is powerful.
You sure say you go fit?
My God go fit do it. But not me go do it. No, my God will do it for you.
Wait, I beg. Now you are the ask. You sure say you go fit to do this day?
Holy. Jehovah.
Hey.
My God go fit do it for you.
No be me and your God talk. Now me and you talk. You sure say you go fit to do it. If you don't go fit do it, tell me. Make I waka dey go. If you go fit do it, make we enter.
If you like say the fear, you not believe say God will bring me come here. Go do it for you.
Why I no go fear? Make I tell you. My friend who me and I'm supposed come here. I could go to because of fear. That masquerade today powerful. Talk now whether you go fit do it. No be me. I want the person who I go hold. I no go fit to hold your God. Now you are the sea. Now me and you get contract. You go fit.
You no get problem. My God, they bigger than that masquerade.
Your God.
You go fit do it.
Okay. Yeah, Baji. You go hold your God. Yeah.
My God go do it for you. No be me do it.
It is sweet. it is lovely. Money, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful. Money, money. I am the float, I am the fly. Money, money.
Come in.
It is sweet, it is lovely. Money, money. It is
Thank
God.
God. Thank God.
Thank you. Now the masquerade with this.
Now the masquerade with this.
Now him.
Holy! Holy! This must be one of Lucifer's cabinet.
Now him.
Sorry. Jump! Jehovah, Mondo. Holy! Holy! I bind you. I bind you.
Bind her.
I bind you.
Thank you.
I bind you. Ah! The God that answered by fire. He will be my God. The God that answered by fire. He will be my God. The God that answered by fire. He will be your God. The God that answered by I bind you in Jesus' name. I bind you in Jesus' name. I bind you.
What?
The God that answered by fire. He will be my God, the God that answered by fire. He will be my God.
Where is he going? Kelvin, you are laughing, but I'm dying here, huh?
Sorry. I go bring another person, I beg. Sorry. You know, I just bring money. Now because the money will give us no big. I'm gonna look for more money, I beg. I go bring another person.
Let's go.
You don't plan to call another native doctor. See, this is begin vex for us.
See, make I tell you, even as I did so, I don't get sense like you don't get. I don't go waste my time, don't begin calling native doctor. See money. See money. Now, look, ask you, as we did now, if they tell you make you choose, choose money or die, which one will you choose?
That's a very good question. I've called you idiot.
And I don't answer that.
Me. I choose money. You choose death.
Yeah, Chris, first.
The thing you see, you just collect money. Waka.
As I dey here now, Waka get me. Here, I no go fit die for wetin I no know anything about. Make I tell you, God don't butter my bread. I dey carry this money go open shop. Make I start that my buying and selling business.
What you talk about?
In abandon.
Good idea. But when we will see
You know say, I thought when I be looking like this, they worry for me. Make you dey at the plan. Make you the plan. Me, now Waka dey waka so.
Come, Kevin. Wait, Ross. Hey.
It is sweet.
Come
It is
here.
lovely.
You're my Kevin.
It is beautiful. It is powerful.
No
I am the float, I am the fly. Money, money. Money, money. It is sweet, it is lovely. Money, money.
Okute, you know, our money is fast dwindling, and they think we're supposed to be in business now. By now, we should be thinking of, invading another community or stealing another Isiekbo. I mean, masquerade. Eh? What is happening?
Don't worry, we're still in business. You know, relax. My idea is simple. I'm going to go back to my village, start lobbying for Igbo title. Then when I become the Igbo, out of the eyes of the security men, we'll start our business. You understand? We can even start with the statue of your village shrine.
Do you think your village people will support you?
If that one, village support, if that one, there is nothing money cannot do. So I'm going to use money and buy everybody there. You understand? When I become the Igwe, I'm going to tax people that money will never be our problem. You see all those old strong shrine around our neighboring villages, they are going to be carted away and I will have them house them in Uwelu. You understand? So that white people will be flooding our village. And I will start our business. If I become the Igwe, Uwelu will be a tourist destination. That is it. You understand? So relax.
What about shopping?
Hey, of course. Now, before we go to the village, we are going to, have some, days to go for shopping, buy something so that when we enter the village, we know that we are blinded. Money will do everything.
It is sweet. It is lovely. Money, money. It is beautiful. It is powerful.
It is your arrogance and greed that caused this. God!
Kelvin and Arthur, they duped me.
So why shouldn't they do that? After the way you treated them like slaves? Man, you've got a big attitude problem. You've got a big problem, man.
I'm going to destroy this! Now! Wait for me!
Davis! Davis!
I'm going to... Wait! Why are you running to? You must die. Leave me!
What do you want to do? Davis!
Leave me!
What are you doing? Davis!
I'm going to kill this now.
Davis,
Today you are going to die. Just stay back.
Don't do that!
Today you are going to die.
Davis, don't do that! Be careful! Davis! Davis! I don't! Be careful, Davis! Davis, don't do this! Davis! Davis, be careful!
Leave me! Leave me!
Davis! Davis, don't do that! Davis! Davis! Oh my God! Davis! Oh my God! Oh my God, Davis! Davis! Ah! God! Okay, alright. Okay, Davis! Davis! I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Shouldn't have done that. Why did you listen to me? Oh my God! This. Why did you listen to me? Sorry. Davis!
Yes, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. I've been away, I just visited some of my fellow chiefs,
I see.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Papa, I can see. Look at the way you're looking now. You're looking very good.
Oh, yes. Our cameras on back.
Imagine within a week, our mother has brought you chieftaincy title.
And I am happy.
You are now a member of the Igwe's cabinet.
Yes, sir.
Papa, you see, I'm not doing all these things for nothing. I am doing it so that you be one of the decision makers in this country. But I am surprised that after all this, you've never for one day asked me where we are getting all this money or the kind of business we are doing.
That is very correct. Let me admit here that it is an oversight. I'm sorry about all that, please. Well, I do not even mind as long as you do not kill to make that money. You know, we have a saying that Say happy head Namutu. By Namutu. Very good.
Well, I see.
Oh, good.
You know that some armed robbers will always ride on their vehicles in God with truck. Quiet. They're carrying suspected criminal.
Exactly. Good.
I'm sorry about that.
You're chopping money now and you're happy.
Yeah, so
You're chopping and signing.
you people made it possible.
Uncle, it's time to walk.
Let's go walking now. I'm ready. So what is it that you want us to do?
Yes.
It is sweet, it is lovely. Money, money. It is beautiful, it is powerful. Money, money. I on the float, I on the fly. Money, money. Money, money. It is sweet.
Also, another one.
This is almost the last bunch of money that we're about to disburse.
A god, so what?
Yes. Papa, and we are not spending it for nothing at all. We want to invest it in something that will chase away poverty from our lives forever. Wow.
So what is that?
So you have a big task on your hand.
Tell me now. I said I'm prepared to work. What's that?
Hey, Uncle, we want to make you our point man in a very dangerous village politics.
Yes, Papa.
The dangerous side. What is it?
I would like to be the Igwe.
Hey! Hey! I asked you to say that.
Papa, what is that? See, you're becoming popular among the elders, the chiefs of this community. Me, I am popular among the youths, of course. You see, that Igwe is very poor. He's a poor man. You understand? He doesn't have money. I can match him. Papa, you see what I want you to do? I want you to buy all the elders of this community, especially Onowu. Hey? Yes. Tell Onowu that if I become the Igwe, that I will be sharing my money with anybody that supports me. Tell Onowu that the people will be paying tax, and the 60% of the tax will be shared among my supporters. But so whoever that supports me is going to share with me. In fact, threaten them that I have made all plans to bring in any kind of security men, whether kidnappers or Boko Haram or Agasi, everything to invest this community to make sure that whoever blocks my way will die.
Let me tell you that this is a very brilliant idea.
Yes, Mama.
It's very, very brilliant. You see, the proposal is juicy, and the threat is
in fact, Papa, also threaten them that whether they like it or not, whether they support me or not, that I am going to win and I am going to succeed. Yes. So it's better for them to support me or they will lose their lives.
I can see, in fact, you have succeeded.
Exactly.
You will succeed. I don't see them saying anything in the contrary. They can never. They must fall.
Exactly.
Yes. All right. I'll take it up. Let me go to know who's out. What am I doing here? Okay. Okay. Since I have what it takes, you see it here.
That is it.
I'm going to work on him and ensure that I got over. Here we go.
Okay, Papa. Okay, I want you to start working now.
Yes.
You see, we'll be going to the city and come back in 3 days time. When I know who will call the elders meeting, then I will know that my machinery is working. Yes, sir. Delivering to the city now.
Your machinery is already working.
Thank you, Papa.
Let me go to him. I'm going to call you by this time tomorrow and give you the latest information.
No problem. No problem.
Go and drive carefully.
Thank you, sir.
I have a strong wife.
No problem. Just thank you, sir. Thank you.
Omega
Thank you.
Omega
I'm out of order.
Okay, well, catch you on when. As I'm on Ogechi. Bring it up.
Okay.
Oh no, it's if I didn't back. Let me start to know. Leave the rest for me.
It is lovely. Money, money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money, money. I on the float. I on the fly. Money, money.
Ross, bring this thing now.
Money,
I'm gonna tell you put for them to stop something for time. I'm gonna stop.
It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money, money. I on the float. I on the fly. Money, money.
You're sorry for the delay. If you're sorry for the delay, how much will you go minus for
serious matter.
I got to come on.
Little story.
You say on another fish, I mean.
Something.
Yes, okay, no problem.
Now packet laughter, envelopes, handshakes, briefcase movement. When you talk the money, jolly the flow. Get who non-stop. We dey carry the go. We dey on top. One rap finish, bring it more. Bring it more. Spend it. It is sweet.
Yes,
it is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money.
What do you have?
I on the floor.
We have Oba, we have Oboroko, we have Okpara.
What official?
Yes, we have a sheep.
You can bring the three of them. You know, you can take one or take just put it for join this. Just bring everything in. How many minutes will it take?
Say like just few minutes.
Few minutes.
Yes.
I'll bet.
Thank you.
Man, why you not tell me sir? I don't tell you.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Do you know?
How many people didn't jump this thing?
Did you notice the way the Igbo was just speaking about the news? You cannot even point out who exactly stole the one kind of mask. Yes, because people now believe the ghost. They cannot believe. They cannot believe in him anymore because people will not believe the ghost. And I told you that I will handle it. No, see, even they insisted on one sweat, and even when we did that, there nothing happened. Of course. See, nothing happened. As this is going to make the man come a faceless. I know how to handle men. Nothing happened. I'm not devoted to what I am. See, I'm not about it. Nothing will happen. Yes. I just love that. Alpha.
Please, we have to exercise some patience tonight. Say like 1 hour.
For what? How? That will
Exercise more patience. Say like 1 hour.
You people should pack up. Close this place and I'll just put a small notice that people cannot serve your customers again. Let's go to market chief. People are ready to sell, then let us know. People have money, we don't want to chop money, you have to provide the necessary. What is it?
Bros. Yes, Nami. I don't sabi the village where they steal that masquerade. They dey for my back here, they talk, they don't understand, they listen to them. And they come, no worry. Thank you.
It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money.
Sharon, I don't get change. I don't have change, okay? Thank you.
Money. It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money. I on the flows. I on the fly. Money.
Your man is penniless now just because of find solution to you. No, please, I don't need your fire, please. I'm just being sympathetic to my partner, please. Please, please. Thank God you're here. Thank
you, here. So, now in South African God and traditions again. Say they're useless. Nonsense. Thank God I have. Bros, no vex. Yeah? Now only the thing where you go to, now they good. African own, you know they good at all. Now get them out and they talk. Nonsense. See ya. I won't help now. When I think say person where they buy people culture, they suppose don't die since. This one said as it is supposed don't die. Nonsense.
Where is my money?
Thunder fire, Kwame. The person where they die, they ask of money, see they discuss of money. See you. Huh? You suppose don't die now. This is you don't die for yourself. Person where they steal other people's culture, suppose don't die. Anyway, now my church mind that they come here. Church mind, they say, I won't make you day alive. Open your mouth to tell your brothers where they in a village, the thing where you see for this country, where you did so. Yeah? Make I tell you, my brother, they wait for me for junction. As I come here, so, we go carry you. Before you do anything, you go carry this thing with your own hand. Carry him. Carry him, go to the village where and steal him. Go give him to the king and the chief priest. They will do some rituals. When they do the ritual finish, bam, the thing will leave you. You will go.
That's the problem. We don't even know the village.
That's why I come. But before we carry this idiot to come out there, carry go there, and I could drop 2 million. 10 kobo no go come out. 2 million. When we carry and reach there, when I give us 2 million before we come out self. I don't want to talk any other thing.
Kevin. You know, I'm broke.
You broke. See person where I won't help you broke. Make I tell you the world don't small now. If you don't win, the whole world don't hear. You don't get a brother or sister or business person now where you go wire. You go wire money, come here, come give us. We take and do the thing where we want to do you. Make I tell you, Western Union plenty everywhere. Even if you go for back, Western Union they there. You bring the money, we take and save your life.
Calvin, are you sure you don't want to dupe us again?
We duped you before. No, tell us we duped you before. Okay, see as we go do it. Simple. When we carry and finish reach band, we keep on there and see the whole people what they talk about. And give us the hard currency. That one good. Share that one good.
Jackie.
Yeah.
Please, call my sister and let her know my condition. She will send in some good money.
Call her fast. Call her fast. Out of the junction, they wait for me. You could go meet her there, carry this basket. Go there, go give them better. For now. Call they bring the money fast at them. But I'm not do quick before this man dies. Yeah, no day here, I just want to save his life. That's why I even collect 2 million. As I did so, I got to mind to collect 10 million from Ola. Bros, cool down. No say you the best. These people don't know who you be. Because they don't know who you be, they don't go fly from that place like a witchcraft or come here, come they fight you. Not the cough, the thing they vest me. Nonsense. You carry your hand, you carry trouble. Come here, you
Okay,
you go do.
I just called her.
Some of you to take the remaining strength, they beg me.
Davis, I just called her. Let's start going. Help me, let me get the car.
Which car? Hey! See you! You don't use your brain at all. You carry your car reach there, they go pong you and the car. Straight. Hey!
So what do we do?
We go find something, take carry and go there. Do quick, make we dey go.
Okay, please come help me.
Help me. Carry am by yourself. I don't want to put myself inside this thing. Anyhow, we take carry and come out.
Kakake, the adjutant. So you people are already seated. This is good. Now let me quickly give my report. By the special grace of God, you will soon become the next Igbo of this village. Oh yes, we are on course. Do you know that when I dropped the money and the benefits that they stand to get, initially, they were skeptical. But by the time I dropped the threat of the army, the soldiers, the police, Bakassi, and kidnappers even, they melted like ice. Oh yes! So, right now, we shall all be moving over to Nohu's house.
But tell me something. The toughest politician whom will ever produce.
Let me quickly enter room and come out. We shall go.
Yes.
It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money.
I cannot imagine that this is a man that served God as a catechist. As he said, the man of God. Money and servants.
It it is lovely.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Okute! The gods are angry! Why do you decide to turn our culture upside down, Okute?
What are we talking about?
Any other person interested in Okute? How's all this? You don't look happy. Look, you may be the greatest village wrestler, but that is not where my boys are. On this help be they will just bring you down within seconds. Have you heard of Taekwondo? Shotoka. They will just finish you. You are just an honorary village champion. You are doing pretty good.
What are we talking about here? We've all agreed that the Igwe that does not know the way forward should be removed. Is not what we talked about? Yes. Beautiful. Therefore, this Igwe that does not have clout, that does not have connection to move Umuelu forward should be removed. Is not what we all talked about? Now we are talking about dynamism. Dynamism we are talking about is fluid. When you are moving people, you move and you flow. Isn't that what we are talking about? We have gotten him. Nonsense.
As a know of this land, I have chosen a new king, and we shall let our present Eze know his fate. Is that not what we agreed?
We
agreed.
Add to additional promises that follow. I will give you additional 100,000 I've seen the youths and women in this community. Everybody must be part of this progressive movement. Yes. Everybody will what? Yeah. We develop Umelu.
Yeah. Yes.
I advise you, stay away from that meeting. Please resign before they embarrass you. Don't say I have not told you.
The gods can never disgrace the anointed king. Mbano, how can I be afraid of that small rat that wants to turn the tradition and custom of this village upside down? Mbano, no, I'm going to be at that village square today. Let me watch how the gods are going to disgrace me.
Igwe, I am with you. I am solidly behind you.
You are part of my problem, too. You have disappointed me severally. You couldn't find the missing worker. You couldn't see the coming conspiracy. Huh? Let me tell you, I am going to be at that village square today. If I die, so be it.
Elders, we have all gathered to execute it as planned, is it not?
Yes. Since the Igwe is not here, we take it that he has resigned. Isn't it true?
Exactly. I will never resign. I am here body and soul. If the gods have decided to disgrace me, so be it. Corrupt elders and titled men of Umuelu, speak. I am listening. I may be poor, but I'm not a coward. Cowards never ruled Umuelu. Okute, you are a coward. Amadi, you are a traitor.
Then you insult me, no man. I will not only disgrace you, but I will bundle you out of this.
Exactly.
So you call me by my name?
Yes. Yes.
My time is not yet over. By the special grace of the gods, whom I serve diligently. And if I should lay a curse on you, you will die immediately.
You can't do nothing. Cannot do nothing. Cannot do more than the dead rat.
Stop there. Look at David. I beg, excuse me. Excuse me, I beg. No vex. I won't see the Igwe. If I don't see her now, something will spoil. Igwe dey house?
No, the Igwe is at the village square.
He dey for village square?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Any problem?
No be for you. Go village square. Go village square.
They carry.
Let's go. Carry.
Hey! He must have taken supplement for the streets. On your channel, I must go see for myself. I won't sit there to talk to him.
It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money. I on the float. I on the fly. Money. It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money. I on the float. I on the fly. Money. No serious matter, little story, plenty something when you're talking money. Now packet laughter, envelopes, handshakes, briefcase movement. Money.
Nonsense. Look, I'm waiting for you. Wait for you. Wait here. They come.
I'm sorry, it's gonna be okay. I'm sorry.
Here in this land, we shall we will see you.
Hey, take these people away. They are disturbing our crucial meeting.
Now you be Igwe. Thank you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
You see these white people here? They live with their country flying like a bird. Come land for this place, begin commit atrocity everywhere. Now they say we could bring them, make them confess for the bad thing where they do. No be so.
That's all. Igwe, see, the gods waiting for Umuelu and the vex. They vex. So why? Because him go thief property where belong to the gods.
This one is a long story now. Where is the property?
Now him be this now. Wait, now the property. Now him.
What up, Yamo?
The person who steal the property, who sell the property to them. The people don't disappear. Now they don't know who sell the property. Now they say everybody.
Yeah, because if you want to return them, if you want to return them, you don't know who go.
Thank you.
Everyone disappear. Now they just come, they touch them. They touch them. Oh, Igwe, don't be small torturing. And even torturing.
A lot of torturing. Let's do torturing.
Enough torturing.
White man, who sold this thing to you?
Thank you.
Wow.
Let us know who stole it.
They are two small men.
Two small men. Two small men.
One name is Kaki.
Kaki?
One name Kaki.
Kaki, oh.
Kaki.
He said, take this man away. I don't know this man from Adam. I don't know you.
See them there.
Okay, now them be this. No try run, no. No try run at all.
I know so. I was there the day you brought it. He paid you 24 million bucks.
Hey! 24! Hey!
24 million naira!
Okay, 20 plus the 4.
So this was how you got the money you are using to dethrone me. You!
I will not stop the dethronement.
Please.
Guys, take this thing away. Battle them.
Please, 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 help me lift up this spell cast on me. I swear, I will never buy African art ever again.
Wait, come.
Please, please.
No carry our God to throw away like that.
Please.
Well, they're ignorant strangers. So see how you can help him. Remove him out of the spell of Waka. Wakabia! Amangu has succeeded in bringing back her son, who said our goals are important. And when you're a mere stranger, we'll set you free.
You don't go keep your mouth shut. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? When you don't say God, you do something.
Look at you. Oh my God.
I'm in.
Oh my God.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Where they go? Where they go?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Come here.
Come here.
No.
Oh my God. Very, very, very sorry. Please, we did this just because of unemployment. We did this out of hunger. We don't have any other thing to do. Please, we stole this just because we needed money. Our father pushed us with his hands. Please forgive and forget.
Let me tell you people, if it were in the olden days, both of you would have been used as sacrifice to the gods. But I, Igwenome, have decided to make our culture and tradition more friendly and human. Instead, I will lighten your sentences.
Hey. Why?
From today henceforth, your father Amadi, you and your cousin will never see this community in its time.
Wow, correct.
Thank you.
All of you will dance around this community.
Hey.
No.
Our guest today.
Oh my God!
Guess.
Banda Diego.
What in the car?
Our guest today.
If we need it.
Let the camera.
Then, this your cousin will never step his feet on this community.
Thank you.
From today henceforth.
The best.
I have spoken.
Thank you.
So be
It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money. I on the float. I on the fly. Money. Money. It is sweet. It is lovely. Money. It is beautiful. It is powerful. Money. I on the float. I on the fly. Money. No serious matter. Little story. Plenty something when you're talking money. Now packet laughter. Envelopes, handshake. Briefcase movement when you're talking money. The jolly the flow. Get who non-stop. We they carry the go. We day on top. One rap finish. Bring it more. Bring it more. Spending. Yes, so now the law. It is sweet.